Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for the great response that I have been getting on my previous videos. Those who are new to my channel, I just want to tell you that I make videos, educational videos for kids between the age group of 2 to 6 or 7 years old, and I try to make learning fun, like hands-on ways of teaching your child at home. So I have been doing this with my 4-year-old for the past few years, and I have been seeing tremendous amount of results. Those who are new to my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified on the same. And on this video, this specific video, I'm going to talk to you about some of the nice play-based activities that you can do with your kids to enhance some of their general knowledge and concept-based learning. So I have a few activities to show in this video. Let's get started. So in one of my previous videos, I've explained how we can you can make activities using simple printouts or worksheets. You can check that in the description box below. I'll link it down in the description box below. And today here we are using I'm going to show you these activity cards which come with these adhesive samples. Basically these are flashcards where I've stuck these models to show the inventors of various things. So we have been doing this for the past few days, and it has helped my son Abir a lot. He has learned while playing. Like if I ask you right now, what is this? Who's this person? What is this? Who invented telephone?
Alexander Graham Bell.
Alexander Graham Bell. Very good. Made this
Bulb.
first light bulb. You're right. Who made this? Tell me.
Thomas Alva Edison.
I have to read. You know that now. So, what about this? What is
Wright
this?
brothers.
Wright brothers invented the
First aeroplane.
The first aeroplane. So that's how you can create such games which will, help the child or motivate the child to learn it like a game. And kids learn the best while they're playing. So they learn it in a playway method, and then it's difficult for them to forget. Trust me, it works. Let's look at the next one. The next one here is world monuments. So this has these famous monuments across the world. So the child has to match these cutouts or the wooden pieces. I have colored them, and you can easily create them at home. All you have to do is just take a printout of this piece and laminate them and put some velcro dots. You can check the video where I have shown you how to create these sort of activities at home.
London Bridge.
That's the London Bridge. How about this?
Statue of Liberty. Big Ben. Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal. This is Opera House, Sydney Opera House. You know this one?
Pyramids.
The Great Pyramid of Giza. What about this?
Eiffel Tower.
You stick it. So for the next activity, we have these live shapes, wooden shapes, and these little flashcards that I have made at home myself. I've just taken the printout and laminated these sheets. I'll again link it below in the description box of how I create these flashcards. These are just homemade DIY flashcards that you can easily make at home, and these are the live shapes that I have got from Amazon. I'll share the link below for those who want to buy it. And now he'll be matching these live shapes with the flashcards. These are 3D shapes now. We have learned the two-dimensional shapes. Now we are learning the three-dimensional shapes. Abir, ready? Let's get started. What is this shape? What is this shape called?
Sphere.
Sphere. Next one.
Cylinder.
Yes, cylinder. Very good.
Cube.
Where's cube? Very good.
Pyramid.
Very good.
Cone.
That's right. This is a cuboid.
Cuboid.
Good job. Give me a high five. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please keep coming back to our videos, and if you like our videos, share a like and share it with other parents and caregivers, and definitely share a thumbs up. And if you love our videos, then please do subscribe to our channel so that you get notified each time we upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Say bye.
Bye.